Here is how you can add photos to the hidden album on the iPhone. So let's get started. Let me explain and show you how it works. If you are new here and first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So the photos in the hidden album are not technically in the album. It's not like the regular album type, but yeah, and that's why it works a little different, because when you want to add stuff to like a regular album, you open up the photo tab, share, and choose to add it to the album. But instead, if you want to put it to the hidden place, you don't click on share, but instead you tap the three dots in the top right, and you can click the hide button. And when you click on hide, it's gonna put it away from the main page, from the main library. The photo is not gonna appear in any widgets or any suggestions, and it will only be found in the hidden album. So you can go then to the collections and find it right there, part of the utilities folder. So you should be able to find it like this. And in my case, I even have the Face ID authentication enabled, so I can only get inside as long as I scan my face like that. So it's actually pretty useful because it's pretty secure, and that's how you can use it. Of course, you can then unhide the images the exact same way, where you open up that photo in the hidden place, tap the three dots, and just like unhide it, and it will return it back to the regular photos folder. So that's how it works. If there are some more questions you might have about this, let them leave them below in the comments. Let me know about it. But hopefully I was able to help you out. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the future videos too.